welcome to the installation video of Vangood portable tankless water heater. I'm going to show you just how easy it is to assemble and use. At the bottom of the heater there are 3 connections: gas inlet, water outlet, and water inlet. Now we attach the garden hose adapter to the water inlet connection and attach the shower hose to the water outlet connection. Now we will attach the propane hose to the gas inlet. I just insert 2D batteries. You can enjoy hot water showers on the go.